Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to apply loan application. To go to eP2P application e-loan, user need to click HR self-service. Then click on e-loan. To apply loan, user need to click My Loan Application. The list of applicable loan will be displayed on the screen. Select any of the loan from the list, then click Next. Fill in the information needed for the loan application. Then click Next. The details on the loan application will be displayed. Once done, click Next. Then click Finish to submit the application and wait until a pop-up stated your application successfully submitted is displayed.